More delicious, healthier, more convenient. Introducing smokeless Loess Ceramic Cooking Paper, a brand new cooking partner you've never experienced before. You can choose the best cooking paper type you need when cooking, and start cooking with a little oil. This amazing cooking paper has 3 layers. It is nano-coated with Loess ceramic, and its surface has ultra-fine bumps like a lotus leaf so food doesn't stick to it. And oil molecules are broken down into small particles while cooking. For that reason, oil doesn't spatter and smoke. It also reduces unpleasant smells. What's more, the far infrared radiation generated from Loess ceramic makes the taste of food richer, and as the outside and inside of food are cooked evenly, the juices are preserved and moisture is maintained. With this ceramic cooking paper, you can prepare the best foods, regardless of what kind of frying pan and grill you are using and what kind of food you are cooking. And even cleaning up becomes cleaner and easier. 0 harmful substances. An eco-friendly product that is used as compost after being discarded. It is truly amazing. So, why not try it yourself? Smokeless Loess Ceramic Cooking Paper. Loess.